been in love for a very long time.
Ek Tarfa Pyar, which was never celebrated earlier. Okay, it was always about two people loving each other, and therefore the love stories happened.
By the time you sit to write a
Letter.
poem or a
Poem.
poem, you like, let's say, help from ChatGPT.
No one has explored it, but we try to explore it. I mean, it's not wrong to just be in love.
Nobody is interested or looking for someone
Yeah.
who's gonna be there for them. मैं तो बस उस दिन मैम को बोल रही थी कि मुझे बस चाहिए पर मुझे हक कर ले यार.
We are very good
Good
friends.
friends,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
पर अच्छा
how
काम
do
कर
you
रहे हैं ना
react
मतलब
to
हम.
these-
हाँ हाँ सही कहा.
Projecting love
Yeah.
to that generation,
Yeah.
to projecting love to this generation.
Oh yeah.
How has it changed? Because आजकल का perception. So
Yeah.
how I gauge it is, पहले letting go was the love language.
Right.
But आज fighting for it till the last minute
Yes.
is what it has become.
Yes. Yes.
So how do you
You
gauge
answered it.
project it also?
You answered
No,
it.
but projecting it rightly that way.
But yeah, I mean, we've got like 3 generations of love. Like, if I put it like, because Dil Mil Gaya happened in 2007, and then Dil Dosti Dance happened in 2011, and now, of course, Ye Teri Galiyan also happened around 17, and now it's 2024, 2025. So yes, you're right. You know, it is about it. Earlier was about letting go, right? I mean, it was about ki. The mantra was that if true love has to happen, you can let it go and it comes back to you. It's meant to be. Now it's about you have to brave it to get it. You know, you don't give up and fight for it till the end moment, and then see. And also the fact that the Ek Tarfa Pyar, which was never celebrated earlier. Okay, it was always about two people loving each other, and therefore the love stories happened. I think with the new generation, this also is the new phase of love. You know, where people are enjoying the Ek Tarfa Pyar. Okay, and thanks to Mr. Karan Johar also, I would say. No one has explored it, but we try to explore it. I mean, it's not wrong to just be in love. You know,
Yeah.
because you can be in love and maybe the true side of moments will not happen. Maybe in your head it can happen, but you are in love. That is also a different kind of romance. So, different, you know, love is so beautiful, and it's so funny that each era, there's so many different aspects which keep coming in and adding on, and it gets add on. It's a different, like we wouldn't know how to define it. Okay, it's a feeling, and weird things start latching up. Like, who the hell thought about Ek Tarfa Pyar earlier? Or who would have thought that, you know, a Casanova who's probably in 20 situationships will fall in love, you know? Like Ishan's character is that, you know? And who would have thought that, you know, a person between who's basically come for a duty. Like, for example, Netra's character is somebody who came in to figure out a father's death and stuff like that. She decides, when she falls in love, she decides to be in love. As opposed to earlier, it would have been, no, it's my duty to, you know, stick around with my father's emotional. No, yaar, I mean, pyar leta hai wo extra. I'm okay to give that kind of weightage. So it's crazy. And also you have to move up and about with the generation, because it also reflects a lot on your society. So the kind of love stories that are happening around, unfortunately, not many. I don't come across a lot of genuine couples. They're all bichara confused only ki whether it is situationship or nanoship or I don't know what all ships. But relationships sunne ko bahut kam milta hai aajkal. Yeah, I mean, relationships were much more, but now it's a struggle to be in a relationship. And I think that is a struggle that we talk about, and we give hope to people that, you know, if love is true, it's going to happen.
But do you also feel that the old school charm of love
Yeah.
is lost today?
Not in a show, but in life,
Not
yes.
in the show, but yeah, in
But in life,
Yeah,
yeah,
in life,
kind of,
100.
yeah,
It is,
definitely.
it is.
I think the attention span is so small. By
Yeah.
default, I think utna effort डालने. By the time you sit to write a
Letter.
poem or a
Poem.
poem, you like, let's say, help from ChatGPT.
ChatGPT.
It's just much faster. I will say the emotions, but you're not gonna put in that much effort. Oh, what's the exact feeling that I want, then I'll take a dictionary out and then
Yeah.
maybe
But
or
चैट जीपीटी लोग किसी को देने के लिए भी यूज नहीं कर रहे हैं, वो कंटेंट के लिए कर रहे हैं. अभी लव हैज बिकम समथिंग दैट पीपल
You
वांट
sell.
टू सेल. Yeah, exactly.
yeah,
The
yeah.
most recent form of it is creating a Ghibli image.
Yeah.
from
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah, maybe. So I think, in some way or the other, we all want it, but nobody
It's
is
hard to
taking.
find.
Oh, it's the reason why campus based is popular is because it's of course there's friendship, but the craze for love is so much, which means that everybody wants it.
Yeah,
but no,
absolutely.
but I don't think they want to. Like they want it, but they're not fighting for it.
They don't want to put in the effort.
But they're also scared. No, see, Shruti also comes from a point कि
Because
मैं effort डाल दूंगी और वो नहीं डालेगा तो कैसे चलेगा? Oh,
हाँ,
so there's so
I
much
will-
complication,
I'll
you know.
look needy.
Yeah.
But also the fact that everything is available for everybody, na, for like very easy. If someone wants someone, they can get anybody for like a hookup, and so they're like, हाँ ठीक है, ये नहीं तो ये तो सब भी open in the market में सब ऐसे हैं कि अब यही चल रहा है. Nobody is interested or looking for someone
Yeah.
who's gonna be there for them. मैं तो बस उस दिन मैम को बोल रही थी कि मुझे बस चाहिए, कोई मुझे हक कर ले यार, नहीं चाहिए मुझे कुछ. I just
What is
want
the kind
someone
of love you all are seeking for?
I just want someone to just hug me and be like, you know what, I'm there. ऐसा कुछ नहीं चाहिए और मुझे बस इतना दे दो. ये बेसिक है ना, ये भी नहीं मिल रहा है, बताओ.
Shantanu, what is the kind of love story you are seeking today?
I'm seeking.
He's actually एक तरफा पैर for the longest time.
Yeah, I've been in one-sided love.
Beyond the show also? Or
Yeah, beyond the show.
इतना भी प्रमोट नहीं करते यार, ऐसा मतलब कि no, but beyond the show also. I mean, I have been in love for a very long time.
And of course, you know, this chemistry has been amazing to watch on screen. But इसी chemistry का off screen एक rumor चालू है that there is something going on between the two of you all. What would you all want to say about it?
Nothing. I mean, we are very good
Good
friends.
friends, yeah.
Okay.
But
But
अच्छा
how
काम
do
कर
you
रहे हैं ना,
all react
मतलब
to
हम.
these
हाँ, अच्छा ही
हाँ.
काम है, अच्छा काम है.
हाँ, मतलब
How
अच्छा
do you
काम.
react to these rumors?
We laugh, yeah. What else?
What to talk about? ऐसे हम लोग हंसते हैं actually.
अच्छा.
Yeah.